Did you know that ads powered by AI on Facebook can boost your click-through rates by up to 300% in 2024? Crazy, right? Today we're diving into how you can use AI to create killer Facebook ads. With the digital marketing landscape constantly evolving, leveraging AI isn't just a trend, it's becoming essential for every marketer out there. Now, let's talk about the challenges many marketers face. We all know how tough it can be to whip up compelling Facebook ads, especially when time is tight. You've got deadlines looming, and suddenly, creativity just vanishes. Ever been there? Plus, with the competition getting fiercer every day, standing out is harder than ever. So how do we tackle these hurdles? That's where AI comes into play. It's like having a super smart assistant right at your fingertips, ready to help you craft ads that grab attention and drive results. So here's how to get started with using AI for your Facebook ads. First, you need to choose the right AI tool. There are plenty out there like AdCreative.ai or Copy.ai that can help you create stunning visuals and catchy copy. Once you've picked your platform, it's time to input your data. Think about your target audience. What are their interests? What problems do they need solving? The more specific you are, the better your results will be. After that, let the AI work its magic. It'll generate multiple ad variations for you to choose from. Then it's all about testing different versions to see which one resonates best with your audience. Easy peasy, right? Now let's look at a powerful example of an AI-generated ad. An ad for a new eco-friendly product. The AI creates eye-catching visuals and a compelling message that speaks directly to environmentally conscious shoppers. The result? A significant increase in engagement and sales. This is the kind of impact AI can have on your advertising strategy. It's not just about saving time, it's about enhancing your creative process and boosting performance. To wrap things up, we've covered how using AI can simplify your Facebook ad creation process. Remember to choose the right tool, input the right data, and let the AI generate creative variations. By doing this, you'll not only save time, but also create ads that really connect with your audience in 2024. So what do you think? Have you tried using AI in your advertising? Drop your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video where we'll discuss tips for optimizing your ad performance. Smash that like button, and I'll see you next time.